Using color filters and contrast themes in Windows. Windows has two separate features for people who see color differently, and they solve different problems. Here's how to use each. Color filters in Settings, Accessibility. Color filters adjust the colors on screen to make them easier to distinguish. There are filters designed for the three common types of color: vision deficiency, plus grayscale, and inverted options. Turn one on and try each, because the right choice is personal and the difference is immediate on colorful content. There's a keyboard shortcut to toggle it quickly. Contrast themes are different. Found under Accessibility, Contrast Themes. They replace the entire color scheme with high contrast combinations designed for readability, such as light text on a dark background or the reverse. 4 are built in, and you can edit each one's individual colors and save your own. They affect applications too, though some handle them better than others.